It's time for the Intense 5. Let's see what made the list. Key witness in the case against a policewoman in Dallas gunned down. But there's a possibility it wasn't even connected. I hope so.
Elephant Man say him find it. New hit from the Energy God and it sounds good.
Yup.
Pick up yourself, Elephant Man. Shankum and uncle.
So, just in case you didn't know, Rihanna is Jamaican. Well, according to social media, they have spotted her at bus stops, and according to them, she even won Digicel Rising Stars. Gotta love Jamaicans. The Bajans might not feel the same way though.
Like that sometimes. We've adopted her.
Come on over,
We
Rihanna.
have photo evidence that she's Jamaican.
And video too.
Right? And video evidence. Who was spotted at BET Hip Hop Awards? The queen of the dancehall, Spice, and the man every woman loves, Dexter Daps. It's a good look, guys.
Good. And finally holding the spot this week. Early morning raids in 3 parishes, arrests of prominent figures, and no charges. This don't look good at all. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for the latest in entertainment.